How to turn on or off a bubble on your Imo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off a bubble on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find a bubble. Click on it. Now, all you need to do is you can turn on or off this option wherever you want. This option is like the messages and online notifications when float on the screen as bubbles. If you don't want this, just turn off this option. If you want this, turn it on wherever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.